Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to this new tutorial video. These days we can never be too careful when it comes to designing a logo for your business, and it comes like more people are actually affected than it actually looks like. Anything from coming up with an idea, paying an extremely high price to get a logo well done, or hire a freelancer or a designer to actually come up with what you want, and which sometimes doesn't really work. But most of these risks can be minimized if you do the basic steps I'm going to go through over this video, and trust me, it's not as difficult as you think, so you can rest easy. Now, before we get started, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, DesignEvo, who actually provided the logo you just saw, and then I'll be going through some easy steps to come up with some of the logo you have seen at the beginning of the video. With DesignEvo, you'll be able to find a variety of samples that may suit your desires, including music, photograph, YouTube, technology, and more. It is a cross-platform made with web-based, Android, iOS, Mac to create professional logo and can be designed for your business, your social media, and even your website. You can try more than 10,000 plus professional design logo temples. They also have a large collection of resources, such as a million icons and 100 of fonts and shape. And also you can download a high quality logo in various formats, which is really amazing. So check the link down below to get started. But before we keep on that, I'll show you some few examples and some basic steps to come out with a professional logo and get what you want. So let's jump into it. Okay, so let's jump into it. So first thing first, what you're gonna do is create an account and you're gonna click on make a logo. Either this one or this one, it doesn't really matter. So click on make a logo. So as you can see, we do have a bunch of samples right here, templates, and I'll go for a new template, and I'm not gonna use like the actual template, but we're gonna make our own a little bit more popular than the actual ones actually they have. So let's go. I'll go for something abstract. Let's go to it. And let's see. You can choose any template. That all depends on you. But as for me, I'll go for something of this nature. Yeah, let's customize this. So this is what we have. All right. And your logo name, you're gonna opt for, all depends on you. You can change the font formatting. So me, I'll go for hmm 7-inch one. Yeah, I'll go for this one. Let's go and type the name. Gonna edit that. IQcodec. Right, and here instead of putting an M, we're gonna insert something different. We're gonna delete this. So it's pretty simple. The item is still here, and at the top right of the website, you see the delete button. Pretty much I have the shape of the trash bin. Click on that and it's gone. So what I will do is I'll bring the image at the side a little bit closer, and here I'll type YouTube channel. All right, I'll write YouTube channel. Sorry. And then right here, I'll look for an icon. We do have a bunch of icons. I'm gonna use the YouTube icon. This one, and I'm gonna copy that. Still loading. I'm gonna copy this one. All depends on you. I'll take this one and paste it right here. Centralize it. As you can see, they do have some kind of metrics that can help you out to fit it, like place it in a symmetric order. And there we go. We do have our logo, which is pretty much easy, simple, and you can still add something. I did forget about that. You can add something. The shapes, we do have shapes right here for your logo if you want to. As for me, I think this one is a little bit more professional, but I want to show all the characteristics the website have. So right here, you can actually pick a color. I did forget about it, the color, but mm, I'll undo this. This is the undo button, so you can undo right here. And for the shapes, I'll go for something easy, not that visible, but a little bit kind of straightforward, something of this nature. Banner, no symbols. Yeah, symbols may be more acquainted for this one. Yeah, see something better. I'll take better. So we're gonna push this one on the side, and instead we're gonna reduce this one, place this one right here. Now, to avoid some confusion, we're gonna add a copyright at the corner of the brand name. Gonna reduce it and take this. Okay, let's see. Select that, take it at the top, right here, and reduce it. I think I'll make this one a little bit more bigger, better, way more better like that. And this, I'll bring it back right here. And there we go. We do have our logo, or you can also do like banners or something if you want to. And now what you have pretty much have to do is click on the download button, and let's say congratulations, you just have an excellent logo, and you can save up to 10% off, or 50 up to 50% off. Wow, 50% off on your next purchase, or unless if you want to have it for free, though the resolution is gonna be reduced, which is still gonna be good. So we're gonna download it, or if in case you want to implement it on your website, you do have a link for that. And this is the most interesting part I didn't mention on my during the introduction of the video. It comes with several options. Let me show you. So you do have a multi-platform, but if you purchase the premium version, you're gonna have all of the formats of of your image you actually worked on. You're gonna be like for your YouTube, a thumbnail for your Facebook page, pretty much all your social media, plus extra extra other video like for your website banner, and for your I think also for your business too. Yeah, they do. So That was that. Thanks to have watched this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any question. Please, cheese. Bye bye.